And good afternoon. Welcome to a whole lot of Zep. And it's a nice Thursday afternoon. It's sunny out here in PA. It's going to be a quick video. I just have one car to show. But I do have another one similar to it on order on the way. My daughter just also picked up a car with me today as well, and she may want to show it. She may not. She might get a little gun shy. So I might have a partner showing off a car, and I might not. It all depends on how comfortable she is. But I'm gonna show you what I got going on. And it, like I said, it's gonna be a quick one. It's just one car, and this is Johnny Lightning in a collector tin, the 1987 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. This is the black edition. I have ordered the white, so that's on the way. Yeah, and imagine that. I took it out of the blister pack. Been doing that a lot lately. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but I manage. The tin can has the SS emblem along with Monte Carlo. I didn't know if the blister pack is supposed to go in there or not, but it didn't exactly fit, so I made it fit. So, but if the blister pack's supposed to go in there, then cool. If not, then cool either way, because it keeps the car from rolling around in the tin can. It's one of 2,500. My fingerprints are going to be all over this because it's black. But this is exactly how I remembered it back when I was in my teens. Let's just put it that way. My late teens. They did a really fine job with the SS markings on it. The headlights look pretty good. The grill's pretty well detailed. Everything on it looks period correct for an 87. However, what would have made it more correct is if they had the Cyclops brake light in the back window, which they do not have. How can you not put that in there? The tail lights look nice. It's not a T-top version, obviously. Got the gray interior. Yeah, everything about this car is exactly how I remembered it when I was a teenager. Right down to the wheels there. It's a nice casting. They did a really good job with this. No complaints. No complaints at all. Metal on metal. Again, it's Johnny Lightning and Green Light. They got a thing about wide tires. I mean, it kind of looks cool on the back, but you can thin it up in the front a little bit. But not everybody's always looking at the bottom of the car. That's how you really notice how thick the tires are, from a front angle or a back angle. But when you look at it from the side, it looks nice. It's got a really, really clean line look to it. I just wish they would have put the Cyclops brake light in. That would have been perfect. Outside of that, this car looks just how I remembered it. Now I'm looking forward to getting the white one as well. So that's all I got to show. Aside from this giveaway piece that I'm giving away random, all you need to do is be a subscriber and be in the continental United States. I apologize for any of my subscribers that may be overseas, but I sure you understand with the cost of shipping. I just have to keep it in the continental United States. But in the future, I will be doing more giveaways, and it will be national and international. I will make sure all my subscribers are included in this. So what you got here is a Majorette Porsche 911 Carrera S. It has a surfboard on it. It's unique. I mean, how often do you see a Porsche with a surfboard on it? It has opening features. Majorette has been picking up ground. They've been making a lot of noise, and this could be part of your collection. All you got to do is hit subscribe, and if you'd like, I'd appreciate it if you would share. Now, I'm just going to ask my daughter real quick if she has an interest in showing her car, and if she doesn't, then I will be ending this video. Okay, she's a little gun shy. She's not ready for it yet. So that's what I have to show for now. That's my 87 Monte Carlo SS from Johnny Lightning in a tin can. And it's out of the blister pack. But I assure you it's going in that can. I would have liked to have kept it in the blister pack, but it's kind of nice to show cars as you can see them better and all around without a card behind it, or inside the blister pack where it's hard for the phone to focus. But anyway, that's my car. And again, thank you for watching my channel, Whole Lotta Zepp, and I'm Rick. I will see you on my next video. Be safe and take care.